Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. If you're looking to transform your Android home screen with beautiful and functional widgets, you're in the right place. Today, we'll be exploring some of the best KWGT widget apps available that allow you to customize your device to reflect your personal style and enhance its usability. From sleek designs to vibrant aesthetics, these apps will help you create the perfect home screen setup. Let's dive in and see what these amazing widget apps have to offer. Essential KWGT. Essential KWGT is a highly customizable widget maker that allows users to create personal and functional widgets based on the KWGT Custom Widget Maker system. This app offers a range of pre-designed widgets that can be easily modified to suit individual preferences. Users can change sizes, colors, shapes, and even add various elements such as time, weather, and calendar information. The user-friendly interface makes it easy to drag and drop components, allowing for seamless customization. Essential KWGT is perfect for anyone looking to enhance their home screen with unique and stylish widgets tailored to their needs. Galaxy One UI Widget. Galaxy One UI Widget brings the sleek aesthetics of Samsung's One UI to all Android devices. This app features a collection of beautifully designed widgets that mimic the look and functionality of Samsung's native widgets. Users can choose from a variety of options, including clock, weather, music players, and more. The app emphasizes customization, allowing users to add just sizes, colors, and layouts to match their personal style. With its polished and modern design, Galaxy One UI Widget is ideal for users who appreciate the high-quality appearance of Samsung's interface and want to replicate it on their non-Samsung devices. Radiance KWGT. Radiance KWGT offers a unique and vibrant collection of widgets that stand out with their colorful and modern designs. This app includes a variety of pre-made widgets for clocks, weather updates, battery stats, and more. Each widget is fully customizable, giving users the ability to alter colors, sizes, and layouts to create a personalized home screen aesthetic. Radiance KWGT also focuses on animations and visual effects, making the widgets not only functional but also visually appealing. This app is perfect for users who want to add a lively touch to their devices while enjoying the benefits of helpful information readily available at a glance. Thank you for watching. We hope this overview of the best KWGT widget apps inspires you to elevate your Android experience with stunning and personalized widgets. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more app recommendations and customization tips. Which app are you excited to try out? Let us know in the comments below. See you next time.